Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rapunzel's hair using the accessory adjustment feature on Dress to Impress. Okay, no wonder there's something off. So I just colored it this hair color FFC F75, and these are the accessory adjustments in hair that I used. I used this hair without any accessory adjustments. Then I used this super long hair. It does look weird from the back, but the back is none of our business. So we're going to select animated for the toggle, and the position is at Y at 0, Z at 0.76. Rotation is at Y at 34, and Z at 0.35. You can kind of make it a little bit more slanted if you'd like to make it more seen, I guess. And the scale is at 0.84. Then we have this in the half front toggle with no flowers. I don't know why there's big flowers here, but there's no flowers, I think. But the position is at X at 0.57, Y at 0.18, Z at 0.61. Rotation is at X 0.75, Y at 0.52, Z at 0.40, and the scale is the same. And that is it. That is how you can create Rapunzel's long hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.